Thank you for viewing the recording on the pricing hierarchy in SyteLine version 10. My name is Pete Diaz. I work for Logic Data. If you have any questions on anything that you're seeing here in relation to the pricing hierarchy in SyteLine, feel free to contact me at pete.diaz@logicdata.com, or you can submit a general support ticket at support@logicdata.com. We're talking the pricing hierarchy. This is in relation to a customer order. The pricing hierarchy, if you enter in an item and there's pricing that exists in any of the top four tiers, it will attempt to pull that in. However, if it can't find anything in the very bottom tier, it'll throw us a message that says no item price exists. But it will look at the top level first. If it can't find anything, it's going to go to the second level. If it can't find anything there, the third, and so on. Okay. The first one that we're going to talk about is promotional pricing. This one is where we can do buy one, get one free, buy one, get one 50% off. If we can't find any promo pricing, it's going to look at customer contract pricing, where we could set a specific price, or we can set price breaks for a specific customer. If it can't find anything there, it's going to attempt to look at the price matrix. This is tiered pricing, where we can assign price codes to customers and customer orders, as well as our items, and based upon the price code and how they meet, a certain price formula will be used. This is often used for if you have, for example, platinum, gold, silver, or bronze customers that receive different prices, or even retailers, distributors, intercompany sales. Maybe they all receive a different price. You could use a price matrix for that. If it can't find anything there, it's going to look at the item pricing, which is just a price set for the item regardless of customer. And you can also set price breaks in here. Again, if it can't find anything in those top four parts of the hierarchy, it is going to throw a message that says not one item price exists. So let's jump into the SyteLine application, and we're going to look at promotional pricing first. So just looking at this one here, this promo code is BOGO, buy one, get one free. This promo became effective in 2017. However, it expires at the end of this month. Today is 9/18. It is going to expire on 9/29. These promos can be assigned to several different things. I don't even have to have an item. You'll notice I have no orange fields, which indicates that a field is required. So it could apply to all items in my system. It could apply to a certain product code. The promo we could make only available to customers with a certain end user type, or just a certain customer. Okay. In this case, I have for a specific item TA 60,000, and down in the bottom right, I can see buy one, get one free. Buy one multiple, get one multiple free. Okay. I'm going to go up one record to this one here. Buy one, get one 50% off the second. This one's a little bit different. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to base this promo on an item. However, if we do buy one, get one 50% off, then they're really getting a 25% discount on both. But they have to order at least two to get that 25% discount. So if they're ordering at least two, it's going to be 50% off. Okay, so let's go to a customer order. I'm going to jump back down to this one here, and we're going to look at the TA 60,000, and we're going to apply a promo code to it. So I have an order here for the TA 60,000. We are ordering 6 of them at $9.60. What I'm going to do is I'm going to apply my promo code, BOGO, and you'll notice that dropped my price here to $4.80 a piece. Okay, because that was buy one, get one free, cut the price in half. I'm going to come back up to this one, the TA 50,000. This one was buy one, get one 50% off. So I'm going to add a record, and I'm going to add my TA 50,000. And I'm going to add 2 of them here. I want to remove my discount because I don't want to do that. And then my promo code, I'm going to do buy one, get one 50% off. Okay, so just notice that change here when I do that. So it's $24.28. And again, it's going to take 50% off the second, so 25% off both. $18.21. That's promo code. Let's come back over here. The next one that I'm going to show is customer contract pricing, where you can set a price or price breaks. To create a contract, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my items form, and I'm going to pick this item here, 40C, and I am going to click customer contracts, the linking button on the right, and I'm simply going to say what customer this applies to. So right now I'm working with coordinated bicycles in my order, so I'm going to just say this for this item and this customer. I've now tied them together. I'm going to link into prices. And then in here, I'm going to choose an effective date. I'm just going to say effective today. My price for this 40C is $50. Okay. So now in my customer order, if I add a 40C to a customer order here, you'll notice it's coming in at my unit price of $50. I'm going to ignore this discount for now, but it is coming in at the $50 as I expected. Now, if I wanted to do some price breaks, I can do that. So I'm going to remove my contract price, and I'm going to use these fields down here at the bottom. I'm going to always do my first price break quantity of the minimum quantity that they can order. So maybe you sell them in packs of 5. Maybe your minimum break quantity will be 5. In my case, I'm just going to put 1. I'm going to do a price break of 5, 10, and maybe 30. Okay. My base code, I'm going to go ahead and change these to none. These work in conjunction with item pricing. So if you want to know more about this and how it works in conjunction with that, feel free to reach out, or you can even right-click help and review the help file and see if you can might be able to figure it out. I'm going to change this amount here, or this amount percent to amount. And then over here, I'm going to throw in my value. So when I order 1, I'm going to go ahead and say it's $50. When I order 5, I'm going to say it's $45. 10, maybe it's $42. And maybe 30, maybe it's $40. Okay. So over on my customer order line now, I'm going to go ahead and hit my reprice button actually. Okay. So, of course, I just ordered 1, so of course it's at $50. However, if I maybe order 10 of these, okay, it's updating my price to $42. If I go back to my contract price, you'll notice if I order 10, it's $42. Okay, maybe I order 7, it's going to come back down to $45. Okay, perfect, as expected. That's a customer contract. Next, I'm going to jump into the price matrix. We're going to take a quick peek at that. I'm going to save this guy. So this one, I'm going to actually close some of this extra stuff for now. I'm going to open my item pricing form. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a quick filter for a price code that is populated. Okay, so this one has an item price code of IP1. I'm also going to go find me a customer as well that has a price code 2. Price codes are found on the Codes tab down at the bottom. Just going to find one that has a price code 2. Okay, so coordinated bicycles, the same customer we've been working with also has a price code. So the customer price code is CP1. Now, what does this mean when my customer price code is CP1 and my item price code is IP1? Let's go look. We're going to open up a form called Price Matrix. So we said when our customer price code is CP1 and our item price code is IP1, that means that we're going to use formula A. What does formula A do? I'm going to click on the price formula linking button and we're going to find out. So what this is going to do is it's going to say for this item, what it's going to do is it's actually using price breaks. 1, 10, 20, 40, and 80 are my price breaks. And what this is doing is it is doing a percentage discount based upon price break. So 1, I'm not doing any kind of discount here. However, if I order 10, I'm going to do a 6% discount. 20 is a 7% discount. 40 is an 8%, and 80 is a 9% discount. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my item pricing form and I'm going to copy the item. My price is $625. So let's add a line item. I'm going to key in my item number. So 1, I have my $625 here if I do 1. However, if I do 10, you'll notice my price went down to $587.50, and that's because it gave it a 6% discount. Okay. Now, one other thing that I want you to see in relation to this, I'm going to go ahead and do a 20 as well so you can see that discount again. But what I also want you to see is a form. It's called pricing. Pricing, it's a very simple form. So instead of entering in a customer order so that you can see these changes, what I can do is I can come into this pricing form and it's going to tell me how it's pricing it based upon the customer and the item that I enter. So I'm going to key in customer 1 just as I've been doing and the item, and I'm going to click the pricing button. And what you'll see is based upon the price matrix, that's where the first place in the hierarchy could find a price, it's finding these break quantities here. Okay, so for quantity 1, it's 625, 10, it's 587, 20, 581, and so on. Okay. Looking back at our pricing hierarchy, we have item pricing. So item pricing, if I had an item price here or some price breaks down here and I did not have an item price code, it would go ahead and just take whatever that price is and whatever those price breaks are, regardless of customer. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and remove this price code here briefly. So right now, my unit price is, I'm going to uncheck that. So right now, it's $625. Oops. Right now it's $625. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my customer order line, and what you'll notice now is regardless of quantity, because I've broken the price matrix, regardless of quantity, if when I reprice this, hit reprice on the right, I went ahead and repriced it at $625. Okay. All right, and then the very last one is not one item price exists. So if I have no pricing on an item, I'm going to go into the items form here just briefly. I'm going to add a record. I'm just going to perfect. That should be just fine. Just going to make me an item really quick. This item, it's brand new. It has absolutely no pricing because I haven't set anything up. But if I come over here to my customer order and I throw in that item, it's going to throw me a message that says not one item price exists. And that is because it cannot find any promo pricing, contract price matrix, or item pricing. So it has gone through the entire hierarchy and didn't find anything. Again, if you have any questions on anything regarding the pricing hierarchy or pricing in general in relation to SyteLine, please let us know. Again, my email there is pete.diaz@logicdata.com, or you can send an email to support@logicdata.com, and we'll certainly get back to you. Thank you.